I was having trouble with the passenger seat making a like a creaking or a clicking sound over rough roads when the seat was empty. And but if I took a screwdriver and pried this area a little bit right here, I could reproduce the sound. And the spot that I finally figured out was causing it was this piece of rubber right here. It looks like there is a piece of rubber wedged between two metal pieces on the bracket here. And I lubricated that and it stopped the sound. I did have to put my screwdriver in here, and you can't really see it on the video, but it was moving a little bit. I worked the lube in between the rubber and the metal, and that took care of the sound. Rivian was thinking they might have to replace the whole seat, so just a shot of lube there is obviously a much better solution. Hope that helps.